normal produce. If no heavy rain falls, a drizzle is sufficient, and Allah is all-seeing of what you do.
Jazakumullah khairan. There's really no better way to start a gathering or an event with the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and please join me as we set and purify our intentions today. Before we get started, I'm going to share a few housekeeping items. First of all, I ask you to place your cell phones on vibrate or silent. As I see everybody pull out their phones. Wonderful. We don't want to disrupt the program this evening. Second of all, our program this evening will run about an hour and a half to 2 hours. And so if you haven't gotten appetizers yet, please do, because dinner will be in just a little while. Other than that, the washrooms are located outside the hall, so if you step out the hall and go to your left, you'll find the washrooms out there. If you can't locate them,
And last but not the least, our own two leaders. Iqbal Cheema Sahib, my dear friend, he served the community at his best. And now, when he is going to retire, he prepared another young soldier, Bilal Cheema. So, inshallah, we want to see him succeed, and inshallah he will succeed, and he will play the leadership role in our community. Believe me, the community grow from there, and we grow a family there, a Muslim family, South Surrey White Park. I am a little bit emotional about that. I think I've been everywhere, but the living situation we have, it is really different from everywhere. We know each other very well, the whole family. We have now maybe 400-500 families, and most of them, we know each other. We do things together, we meet, we do picnics, we do camping, so we do a lot of things together. So it's a really community. When we came there, we have to expand, and we need the bigger space. Now there's the plan, inshallah, at the end of July. And also, during this, we find another brother, Umar Abdul Fattah. He is the registered teacher, and he used to teach in this Islamic school and government schools too. So he is going to start the program there, which is the homeschooling program. In this program, these kids can be registered in the homeschooling, but they can get the regular curriculum in the school. So from grade 3 to grade 7, he is doing in our Musalla, and I think from grade 7 to 10 in Al Iman, and he announced another program which is from 10 to 12, I think in Coquetlam. So that's a wonderful program, and I'm sure that the parents who are worried about this Saudi curriculum or other curriculum, they can get help from them. So
please join me in welcoming Dr. Hannah to the stage.
So this story is about a physician who used to work in the US and lived in the US for 10 years. She decided in 2010 that she wanted to go back to Canada and settle. So she packed her 2 kids, 2 cats, and a vacuum cleaner into her cabin, and she decided to drive 12 hours all the way to the US-Canadian border and settle in South Surrey. Alhamdulillah, she found a house, so that was good. So, number of cars, 1, number of kids, 2,